Not exactly sure on where to get started here, but we'll get this box out of the way. And how's it going, RC drivers? Over the past few weeks, I've only been able to get up a few videos. That's because I've been pretty sick. I've had bronchitis and just talking in front of the camera has not been easy, but the stuff has still been coming in for videos. And I thought it's been a while since I've done a haul unboxing video, and I thought I'd just show you some of the stuff that's come in over the past few weeks. And it's gonna be stuff that you're obviously gonna see coming up here on the channel. So let's get some of this stuff out of the way, and we'll start off with this box here. Move this one over. I'm sure you know what's in this one. And this here, this is a little bit like cheating. I've already opened up this box because there was something inside that I needed, but the rest of it I haven't opened. It's all kind of the same stuff, a little bit different, and it's actually from Hobby Recreation Products, and it is the new Spastics paints. They've introduced a number of different new colors to the lineup, and there's some of the color chart right there. There's some of the metallic colors, but I'm not gonna go and open all these, but inside these boxes here, check this out, are all the paints. And I've already got a lot of paints here in the workshop. I'm sure that some of you guys have seen my workshop video that I put up in the past, kind of just a workshop tour. I do have Traxxas paints. I've got Tamiya paints, Proline paints, and they all have kind of unique and different colors once you get past the red, white, blue. But this I'm really excited to try because, you know, these I've used these in the past. They work really well, but they have a lot of unique colors. Like this one, Battleship Gray. Pretty excited about that. They have different can sizes and colors. Looks like they got different can toppers as well. Tangelo Orange, that's pretty interesting. And then they've got the glitter metallics, so a bunch of different paints, whether you're gonna spray or you're gonna airbrush. Definitely wanna check out Spastics when you're looking for something unique. You know, to me it's got a lot of cool unique colors, but Spastics, theirs are, I think, just a little bit more wild than anything else I've seen in the RC car world. We just pop this one open to see what we got here. Electric Blue and Deep Sea Blue. So you could even go do some fades, I bet. What else did they throw in here? Anything else? Got some more airbrush paints in this one. Let's see what colors we got here. Olive Drab. Oh, that would be pretty cool for those guys doing some off-road desert builds and stuff. Looks like they sent me a banner as well. And then in this box back here, this is the stand for it. So yeah, it's gonna look really wild here in the workshop. I gotta build up another stand. It's a cardboard stand, and I think this is available. So for those of you guys that are collecting a lot of paint cans and stuff, and you're looking for some sort of rack, this you might be interested in. And this is the box I wanted to go to next. This is actually from Cow RC. And if you watch the channel, you guys know that I'm a Cow RC fan. Actually have a little Cow RC setup over here just for when I'm doing all my cleaning stuff. I've got their degreasers, the greases, the different glues that they have to offer. And I even have like their Cow RC blower. That thing I always use whenever I come back from driving something, just hit the car with it really quick. Makes cleanup a little bit better in case I do have to put things aside. But they have a bunch of new stuff that came out, and that's supposedly what's in this box. So, holy cow, holy cow. There's a lot of stuff in here. Let's see, what do we got? I didn't even know because this is the first time I'm checking it out with you guys. Looks like we got a little work mat, magnetic mat, got a bunch of new decals, and that is some sort of black insert thing. I'm guessing for something on the inside here. Inside this is, we'll see. Oh, this is part of a blower setup, so it looks like they're gonna have a new blower system. So yeah, is that what this is? Multi-function watering can. So I'm guessing you spray down your car with this stuff before you hit it with a hose or something. So all right, I'm into that. That's definitely better than the bug sprayer thing that I used before. Ooh, check out that Cow RC mat. That one's pretty sick. Okay, that's very cool. I like their magnetic mats, but something about the rubber mats, when you're building, you know, the parts drop, they fall perfectly on those as well. But man, there's a lot of stuff in here. So it looks like I got some more Mousse Slick. Always use this stuff on the arms and everything. Ooh, their new brushes. I got some of their other brushes in the Club RC box. I showed that in one of my Traxxas videos recently. I'll put a link to that down in the video description below. But glad to see that they have brushes. These are probably really good for RC use. You know, finding the right brush actually isn't the easiest thing to do. So jumping over to Cow RC, probably a good thing. More surface wipes. These, by the way, these are awesome. And I showed these ones before and people are like, oh, it's just a standard wipe. No, he actually like mixes the chemicals the specific chemicals that go in this. So it works well with RC cars. It's not, yes, it's probably coming from the same factory, but his specific chemicals are going into it. It's not something that you could just easily buy. There's probably similar stuff, but at least you know that's gonna work on RC cars. The tire wash, oh man, I'm so happy I got that. That's very cool. And then in here, what do we got? It's like the new, oh, is this the cleaner? No way, this is so awesome. All right, cleaner's coming really handy. He's probably tested this, probably works really well with RC car stuff. Udder butter always comes in really handy. Look at that, another cleaning brush. That's absolutely awesome. Some new banners as well, totally into that. Oh, and then I don't have this one yet. Industrial grade mousse slick with ultra thin PTFE. Let's see, engineered for bearings, long lasting lubrication. Interesting. I'm into trying this one out. I don't have that one. Oh, this can looks new too. Ultralight grease coating. All right, some new stuff to try out. Really into that. Some more of their cleaner. Oh, that's the concentrate. I'm running low on that stuff. Some more brushes, actually different brushes. So I am hooked up for more cleaning. So probably gonna have to do some sort of updated cleaning video. I've done a bunch in the past, but this is some really cool stuff. Thanks to the guys at Cow RC. All right, and now for that final box that you guys saw early on, the Losi box. Gotta get that out. I gotta see what's in that box. I know what's in that box because it says it on the side, but I just gotta see this thing on the bench here. And it's a heavy box. Here it is, guys. That's the Losi side. And there's what it is. The Losi Super Lasernut. This is cool. This is so big. I was not expecting the box to be this, I don't know. I seen pictures of them on the internet and I'm like, that looks awesome. It looks big. They had a size comparison, but you know, once you get it in your hands, that's when the big deal. That's when it's just a huge deal. So we'll pop this open. First time checking it out together. Let's see. Good looking box art. Here we go. There it is. That thing, it looks sick, doesn't it? Oh man, I can't wait to drive this thing. Excuse me, there's that cough. All right. Let's pop all these factory tags. Gotta show you guys this side of it first. Look at that, that's just some killer box art. And you know you're getting a big machine when you get this style of box from Losi. And slide this out, there we go. Sick. Look at the size of this thing. Not easy to do on a workbench on camera. Look at the size of this thing, guys. This is very, very cool. Look at that. Let me get this out of the way so we have the whole workbench here. Look at the size of that beast. That is absolutely, oh, the suspension on this thing, super plush. Look at these tires. You know, the tires did look funky in the video, but in person, tires look a lot better on this. Wow. That looks so cool. I've got the perfect spot where I'm gonna run this thing. You've seen it in a couple of videos before, but man, oh, look at that. The netting is actual netting. That's sick. You know what, I gotta stop right here because if I get into this, I gotta start talking about the whole thing. I'm gonna wanna see every little detail on this. We're gonna have to leave that for the regular review video. So yeah, that's some of the stuff that's come over in the past week and a half or so. I'm looking forward to getting to, you know, show you guys a painting video, cleaning video, and of course this beat. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell. We'll see you back soon.